Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is MS Literary World. In my previous videos, I have described so many poetic devices which are widely used in the field of literature. In this video, I am going to describe about the different types of poetry. Then there will be a short introduction about Shakespeare, sonnet, and I will also differentiate between the Petrarchan sonnet and the Shakespearean sonnet. So let's start our discussion with different types of poetry. In the poetic literature, there are so many types of poetry. These are, first is elegy, second is epic, sonnet, ode, ballad, social, dramatic monologue, soliloquy, character sketch, oration, haiku, cinquain, limerick, etc. So, first of all, we should have a short introduction about Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English poet and playwright, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's preeminent dramatist. His surviving works, including some collaborations, consist of 38 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, and several other poems. In this way, he was world famous for his sonnets. He is regarded as the bard of the sonnet. So, first of all, we should be aware about what is sonnet. What is a sonnet? It is a form of poetry that originated in Europe. The term sonnet derives only from the Occitan word sonnet and the Italian word sonetto, both meaning little song or little sound. Traditionally, sonnets were used to show required love. The exact definition of sonnet is it is a lyric poem with 14 lines written about one theme, most often something to do with love. It is often written to and about a perfect, unattainable lady. The English sonnet is written in the iambic pentameter, like Shakespeare's play. It is composed of 3 quatrains and a couplet at the end. So, first of all, we should also know about quatrain. It is a stanza or short poem containing 4 lines. Lines 2 and 4 must rhyme, while lines 1 and 3 may or may not rhyme. Variations in rhyming patterns ABAB, ABCB. Next is couplet. What is a couplet? A couplet is a unit of verse consisting of 2 lines that usually rhyme. A couple means 2 people, 2 things, 2 of everything. It may be humorous or serious. For example, chocolate candy is sweet and yummy. It goes down smoothly in my tummy. Shakespearean sonnet has a special rhyming scheme. In first quatrain, the rhyming scheme is ABAB, in second CD, in third quatrain EF, and in couplet GG. So this is the Shakespearean rhyming scheme. It is written in iambic pentameter. Iambic pentameter has 10 syllables per line. It is a way of writing poetry. Here is an example of a line of poetry that is written in iambic pentameter, the which if you with patient ears attend. So count the syllables on your finger. I am also going to describe about the Petrarchan sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet. It was introduced by Sir Thomas Wyatt during the Renaissance period. It was named after a famous 14th century Italian poet, Francesco Petrarch. It consists of 2 parts: the octave, the first 8 lines, the part that raises the question or problem, and the sestet, the last 6 lines, the solution or answer to the octave. Difference between Petrarchan sonnet and the Shakespearean sonnet. Petrarchan sonnet is a 14 lines divided into 2 sections, the octave presenting a problem or situation and the sestet solves or clarifies the situation. Rhyming scheme is ABAB or ABBA for the octave, CDE or CDCDE for the sestet. Shakespearean sonnet. It has 14 lines of iambic pentameter divided into 4 sections, 3 quatrains that present a problem or situation and a couplet that solves or summarizes the problem. Rhyming scheme is ABAB for quatrain first, CD for quatrain second, EF for quatrain third, and GG for couplet. So friends, this was the short information about the sonnet and its type. I hope this will be very beneficial for you.